Hi there, my name's Mike, and today we'll be talking about shadows with CSS. All right, so to start, I've got this HTML file with just a div in it, and then I've got this CSS file attached to that. So in this div, we're going to put a little bit of text. We'll first do, we'll just do a couple lorem ipsum text. Okay, there it is. And for that text, we'll make it a little bit bigger, so it's pretty obvious what we're doing. All right, that's good. So the first thing we're going to be doing is a text shadow. You can do shadows either on text or on a whole block. So for example, on a div or like a whole paragraph. So like on the background, you can do like a background shadow, or you can do a text shadow. So for the text shadow, all you type in is text hyphen shadow. And then you give how many pixels down and to the right it is, and then how big the blur is, and then the color. So first let's do no blur and no color. This should just be black. So we'll do, so let's do 3 pixels to the right, 3 pixels down. Okay, you can see that that is 3 pixels and 3 pixels. We can increase the to the right if we'd want. Let's go to 10, just to make it obvious that's to the right. And we can go 10 down as well. And now let's add a little bit of blurring effect. You can see that this is just a carbon copy of this, this text here. So if we want to blur that, we just add a third argument where we give how many pixels of blur you want to do. So 3 pixels is good. So now you can see that we've got a pretty obvious shadow effect going on, where it looks like there's a light shining on this with a shadow in the background. But this color makes it hard to read. So we can make this gray. This should make it a little bit lighter for us to see. We could even do like a crazy color if we wanted, like if we wanted it to be red or something, for this kind of weird effect. We could do that. And then another thing that you can do with this is you can add another shadow. So let's say we wanted this one to be -10, -10, with the same blur and red. Oops, sorry, those will have to be pixels. You can see that now we've got a shadow going this way and this way. Okay, so now for box shadows, we'll do this on the same one. We'll just get rid of this text shadow for now. And then we'll give this a background color, just so it's a little more obvious what we're shadowing. We'll give this background color blue. So now we've got this blue background. Let's give this a set width as well. There we go. Okay, so now to do this, instead of text shadow, you just do box shadow. And it's the exact same arguments. So let's do 10 pixels, and we'll do 3 pixels of blur. And we'll make this red. There we go. You can see that that worked quite well. We can also do the second shadow for this as well. 10 pixels, 10 pixels. We'll do 3 pixels of blur, and we'll make this red as well. Oh, sorry. That has to be negative, doesn't it? It's this in the same spot. There we go. So now we've got the same effect that we did on the text shadow. Hopefully you found this short video helpful. If you did, please do leave a like, a comment, or a subscribe. And please have a great day.